has been delivered appropriately and very profoundly. I'm going to talk about the same things but differently. So, as far as the research unit is concerned, let's talk about something research. What do you mean by research? Before I go ahead and talk about the our planned activities like writing research papers in ISI, Scopus Indexed journals, workshops, FDPs, TED Talks, conferences, poster displays, and exhibition. So, what is research? I want to make it as an interactive session, not merely confined to myself that I would read out the slides and explain. So, what is research? Okay, in common understanding, the simplest meaning of research is to search for facts, answer to research questions, and solution for the problem. Okay. Then we have some, bookish definition as Wiener in 1993 stated about the research. Research is made of basically two words, re and search. What does re stands for? It's a dictionary defines the former as a prefix meaning item, new, or over, and the latter as a verb used search to examine closely and carefully to test and try or to probe. Basically, we have some underlying problems and we have to carry forward because of the research gap available. Okay, so we will keep on just apprising you and intimating you about what exactly because we know that we do all our expertise in your respective fields. So each and everything you know, but just in my, as a part of the program, I will just keep on explaining some parts. As Dr. Masood has emphasized on research papers, okay? Once we are in the habit of writing research papers, then other activities will be, simpler and easier for us. How to get your article, your research papers published, okay? We have yeah. This is a checklist actually. Think about why you want to publish your work. So we will have this all the checkpoints. Is it new and interesting? First of all, is it a current hot topics? Have you provided solutions to some underlying problems, difficult problems in your research paper? Are you ready to publish at this point? If all answers are yes, then you can start working on your manuscript. We have different types of journals in the academic world. Can anybody have an idea about that? Up to any stage, everybody has written 3 or more research papers. Do you have an idea about what types of journals prevailing in an academic world?
Can't take anything from any database, Scopus.
These are the indexes actually.
Yes.
These are
Yes.
the indexes. Once I will keep on showing you, everybody will say, yes, you have already got it. Nothing new, nothing novel I'm gonna demonstrate here. Everybody knows it. See, open access journals, limited access journal, and the predatory journals. I have marked this as a sign of asterisk because this is very important to have an idea about the predatory journals. What are the open access journals? Just forget about the ISI, non-ISI Scopus or non-Scopus Index, ABDC or Shimago. Just let's talk about the open access journal. Later on, we will talk about the ISI and Scopus, etc. Open access journal.
Anyone can access the paper.
Yeah, it's very
Free.
freely available. You just open your search engine, write keywords, even if you know the name of author, title, anything you just mention on that and .pdf, it will be accessible for each one of us. That is open access journal. What is limited access journal?
You can access the abstract only.
Yes, absolutely correct. Sometimes you stand chance to have an idea about the abstract only. Keywords and abstract will take a look. Otherwise, all things are provided with the user ID and a password. Basically, our journals which are lying in the category of Q1 and Q2 from taken from Billy